If you want to search by image on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then we can use circle to search feature. In order to use it, we need to press and hold our finger on the gesture handlebar that we have at the very bottom of the screen, or if you use 3 buttons for navigation, then you want to press and hold the home button instead. So press and hold for like a second, and then once you see this menu, then you can simply tap on the image in order to start searching in Google. Of course, we can adjust the size of the image if you want to, and you can use the circle gesture as well. So if you, for example, press and hold the finger again, and then you can select the area that you're looking for, and this works as well. Over here, as you can see, we have different search results by using our photo. Of course, this works also, for example, if you search in an app. So if you go over here and use circle to search, you can tap on it as well. And there we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!